Hey guys, so welcome to the help screen, and this is how to play One Piece Pirate Warriors 4 with controller. So guys, in order for you to play with your controller, is download the game One Piece Pirate Warrior into the Steam. So you have to buy it through Steam because as you can see here on the Steam, you will have here Xbox controller, which this game is supported by Xbox controller. So guys, when you downloaded the game, just go to the library and just simply click on the One Piece game. But as of now, I don't have that game, so I'm gonna use Call of Duty as an example. So guys, once you click on the game, just go over here to these settings over here, manage, and then click on properties. And after that, just go to controller, and guys, make sure to click this icon and make sure to enable Steam input. And guys, you can also click controller configurator, which will allow you to enable various controllers. And from there, guys, when you launch the game, you will be playing with your controller. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.